So hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually the same video which I posted previously about cost of an FPV drone and this hobby, but this is in English now. So a few people commented and most of my friends said that I need to do a video in Hindi, but I don't speak Hindi, I don't know Hindi, so I thought maybe I could do an English video so I can reach a lot more people. So let's get started. FPV is actually first person perspective drones. You get to see the live feed in your goggles. So regarding the cost of the FPV drone and this hobby, is going to be a little on the expensive side because most of the parts it is not made in India. You're actually importing it from other countries, so there is a cost associated with that. But spending a little money on this hobby, it will be the best thing you do in your life. DJI Avanta, you must have seen it in Instagrams and YouTubes. People control it with a small remote device. It has that motion sensor controls. You can get that too, but a little higher priced compared to an FPV drone. If you have the budget, you can go for it. It costs around 60k to up to 2 lakhs. DJI drones cost up to 2 lakhs. And you might be seeing this other drones in Amazon which costs around 5k, 10k, 8k, 20k, but they don't have any good reviews, so people don't buy it actually, and I'm not sure about the quality of the same. So it is not advisable to get it from an unknown brand or unknown sites. So it is better to stick with DJI drones, or you can build your own FPV drones like I did. This is 5-inch 4S build. The best thing about an FPV drone is that whenever you have any problem or any hardware issues, something you crashed and broke few parts, you can actually change it on your own. The parts are available in many sites in India. I have mentioned the sites where you can buy the FPV parts in the previous video, so I will give a link below in this. So I built an 5-inch 4S build which people suggested me in community. So they gave me an actual list of what parts to buy and where to buy it. So I followed each step and finally made it. It cost me around 45 to 50,000. So a beginner basic FPV drone will cost you around 45 to 50k. There is no fixed cost for an FPV drone. The transmitter cost and goggles cost is not included, so that will come around another 20 to 25k. Any additional cost like batteries, 3D print molds, that is not included too. So totally including a transmitter and FPV goggles and your quad, the total cost may come around 75 to 80k in a budget build. So this is the basic cost for a 5-inch build. But if you are just getting started and limited on budget, but you still want to fly a drone, FPV drone, you can choose these type of drones. These are called tiny whoops. Whoops are nothing but the type of frame that the drone uses. But if you are planning to start your first build, the first thing you should invest is your transmitter, because you can build a drone easily, but if you don't know how to fly and you keep crashing again and again, that is going to cost you a lot more than building a drone. So best thing to do is invest in your skills first. Learn and practice in simulator games. You can practice for at least a month or a few weeks, and then when you get familiar with the controls of the drone, you can start your build. The next thing you can do is buy your goggles. I use this Skyzone Cobra X, which costs me about 25,000. Many people in the community suggest to go for Eachine EV800D. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe, and if you have any doubts or queries, you can DM me in my Instagram. I am active there mostly. That's it. Bye bye.